Have you ever seen perfectly staged LED screen like this? Okay, today let's take you see this EAO fixed installation screen. The screen is made of EAO fixed box splicing and right corner design, seamless spacing and perfect representation of every frame. The solid panel is lightweight, compact and easy to install, suitable for movement. Whether it's rainy or sunny, so it has IP65 dust and water resistance rating, so which can withstand outdoor bad weather or ensure long-term stable operation. Whether advertising displays or larger scale events, this EAO fixed LED displays can bring a shocking experience to meet a variety of needs. For more information about EAO fixed installation LED screen, you can contact us, EagerLED. See you. Bye bye.